In this video, we're going to learn how you can visit dark web or deep web through your Android or iOS device. Using Tor is a way to anonymous communication. Tor is a free open source software for enabling anonymous communication. The name is derived from the original software project name, the Onion Router. I am going to separate this video into two steps. Let's move on to the first step. Open up Google Play Store or iOS App Store and search for Orbot. And simply install this application. It's totally free and don't worry about anything. Then you need to search for Tor. And simply install it. It basically encrypts your virtual identity or local IP from trackers. After these two tiny processes you have done, let's move on to the second step. Let's move on to the home screen. Open up your Orbot application. It's a built-in VPN which helps you to get through the firewalls. Here, as you can see, a VPN mode. Just enable it. It will take some time to start the bootstrap. After this, all you have done, open up your Tor browser. As you can see, the default search engine of Tor is DuckDuckGo. Just search here darkweblinks.org. Click on the first link below. It will take you to this page, which helps you to get into the dark web search engine called Hidden Wiki. Click on the first link below to visit the Hidden Wiki by helping this website. Now we are on the dark web. Here all the deep web links are listed here. This will redirect you to other deep web pages unlike the Google search engine. Alright guys, hope you understand this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel. Until then, see ya, have a good day, bye.